Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. On this very video we're going to be making orange ice cream. I mean, it's just the perfect dessert for the season, and I hope you like it. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. And if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and leave me a comment in the comment section. So stay tuned for the video and let's get straight into it. So in this video we will be needing some oranges. In this video I'm using 5 oranges, and I'll just be cutting them. They are all properly washed, so I'll just be cutting them and I will be making use of the juice. So now I'm just gonna squeeze out the juice from the oranges. I'll be adding half cup of whipping cream into my bowl, and I'll whip that for like 2 minutes, and then I'll be adding my rest ingredients, which is the orange juice, orange flavor, and orange food color. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. So before adding my orange juice, I'm just adding my condensed milk, homemade condensed milk. If you haven't watched the video of how I make my condensed milk, it will be in the description box, and at the end of this video it will also be in the end of this video. So make sure you watch that video. It's just a 2 minutes video and it's very helpful. So I also beat that together for like a minute, and then add my orange juice and also mix that together for 1 minute, and then I will be adding my orange flavor and my food color. So I'll just transfer that into my plastic bowl with cover, or if you're using something else without a cover, make sure you seal it with a plastic seal, okay? And I'll be putting this in my freezer to freeze for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. And the next day or after freezing, ice cream is ready to serve. So I hope you like and enjoy this video, and I hope it's useful to you. I'll see you up in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.